This is Rafa from my page Positive Academy. Today I'm going to talk about meditation. Before I was a regular practice of meditation, but I have lost the grip and I have lost the track. But one thing I must say that in order to become or in order to achieve anything, consistency, efforts, and regular practice is a must. So I am again diving deep into this meditation stuff. I used to do a mindfulness guided meditation for about 20 minutes on regular basis, where I just focus on my breath and forgive about past and future and just focus on the present. And in that way I will be able to achieve massive peace of mind, and I will be able to connect with the neurons in the brain, and then I will be able to properly function, and I can achieve anything I set my mind to. And there is a lot of focus and concentration and a lot of improvement in my life when I do mindfulness meditation. So I am again beginning the practice of this guided mindfulness meditation on regular basis for about 20 minutes each a day. I lost the grip because I have lost the track, maybe due to the busy life schedule, and maybe I am not able to make out the time to connect with myself, right? Connecting with ourselves is very much important. This is again the self-growth tip I would definitely love you to give. Always spend 15 to 20 minutes with yourself alone time, right? When nobody is there, but you are spending time only with yourself, right? Forgive me for any background noises because there are a lot of stuff happening at my home place, but still I am able to make the video because I just want to connect with you, right? So there are some tactics and there are some steps one needs to follow in order to become a greater version, and I think that mindfulness meditation is one of them basic and one of the fundamental stuff one needs to do in order to achieve something in their life. We take everything for granted, right? But it is not always the case. We must be grateful for what we are having, right? And that all the other feelings which already be installed in us can be retained with the help of mindfulness meditation. When you are into mindfulness meditation, you are into alpha state, and your brain, and you are actually connected to your soul, and so you can feel a lot of things when you are just meditating. So this was just a small guide regarding mindfulness meditation. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you like this type of content, do follow the page and subscribe and share. See you tomorrow at the same time.